Okay, the first thing we'll do here is start a data flow task. So going from control flow, we will select the data flow task from the SSIS toolbox. We can rename it if we want. We're not going to do that here for this simple example. Next, go into your data flow task. You want to select your table that you're going to be taking the data from, extracting the data from. In this case, we're going to use an ADO net source because I've found that the ADO net source is faster for a database connection than most others. We can rename it by double-clicking on the original name, and just because this is a simple example, we'll call it SourceDB. After we call it SourceDB, we're going to click on New, make a new connection, or if you don't, select a connection. If you don't have the connection already, make a new connection. Once we've connected in a new connection, we can go to the employees table, which is the table we're going to download or export, and we can look at the columns if we want. Also, we can go to the error output. In this case, I'm just going to take all the error outputs and make them ignore failure for all columns, just to make this a simple, easy example. Next, what we want to do is add our target destination. Our target destination is an Excel file. So we'll select Excel destination for this simple package. We will connect the arrows and we'll select the connection manager. Within the connection manager, we'll want to create the file, so we can just click on browse and make a name for the file. In this case, we'll make the name of the file data and then hit OK. Once we do that, we can go to the name of Excel sheet and we'll click on new, and we'll create a whole new sheet. Once we create the new sheet, we can select it from the drop-down list, select the one with the $sign. We can check the mappings. Mappings are good. Error output, again, we will ignore all failures. It's just to make this simple and easy. Apply that, hit OK, and now we can run and test our simple package. Double check marks, everything's good. Let's take a look at the Excel export file and make sure there's data in it. And bada bing, bada boom, there's the data. Have a great day.